and welcome to another video, to another place. It's nearly bonfire night, autumn is in full swing. It's a holiday that for some very strange reason is celebrated in the UK, but bonfire night is one of my favourite nights of the year. All the fireworks, all the bonfires, polluting the atmosphere. It's just generally the day when I feel like it's acceptable to start wearing lots of layers and eating things like toffee apples, which are great. Segue. In this video I'm going to be making toffee apple cupcakes. So these are a ginger sponge with apple in them and then a spiced buttercream and like caramel toffee apples on top. They're so good, they're so tasty. Let's make them. To start with, I have got a saucepan here with 150 grams of caster sugar, 50 grams of brown sugar, 150 grams of vegan butter and 25 grams of treacle, or you can also use molasses for this if you like. I'm just going to melt these until they're all melted together and then just kind of leave it to cool a bit. So while that's just heating up, melting, I've got my dry ingredients here. So I've got 200 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. And then for the apple component of the cake, I've got a reasonably small apple here and I'm just going to grate that and add it in. You can leave the skin on, no problems with that. And just get all of it coated in flour. The wet ingredients have melted and cooled slightly, and now I'm just going to pour this into here and stir it. So I've also got this flax egg which has just been sitting in the fridge. It's a tablespoon of flaxseed and 2 tablespoons of water. And then finally I'm adding in 50 grams of soy milk. So now I've just got to scoop these out into the cupcake cases. You want it to be about 3/4 of the way full. Okay, so that's all the cupcake cases filled up, so now I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees C for 15 to 20 minutes. So while the cakes are cooling, I'm going to make the icing. I've got 150 grams of dairy-free butter in here, 250 grams of icing sugar and a teaspoon of ground ginger. Just adding in another teaspoon of ground ginger. So now just stick this in the fridge while you're getting your apples ready. To make the caramel for the apples, I've got 100 grams of caster sugar and 25 grams of water in here. I'm going to heat this gently on the hob, and when all the sugars dissolve, I'm then going to add in a tablespoon of golden syrup and then just heat that with a sugar thermometer until it reaches the hard crack state. Or if you don't have a sugar thermometer, if you drop it into cold water, it should then not be kind of malleable. So I'm going to heat this up. While that's heating up, I'm going to start preparing the apple to go on top. So you want to just get an apple, cut it into 12 pieces, because you've got 12 cupcakes, and then pat it really dry with some paper towel, and then just lay it out on some baking parchment or silicone tray. Again, don't peel the apple because the caramel actually sticks way better to the skin than it does to the rest of it, so don't peel it. Okay, it's got dark and we've hit the hard crack stage. It took about 6 minutes. Just to say, when I added in the golden syrup, I didn't stir it, I just kind of swirled the pan a little bit. So yeah, we're going to sort out our apple pieces now. You want to work quickly with this because when the apple goes in the caramel, it starts to cook and then it starts to release more liquid, so you don't want that to happen. So what you need to do is find something to put this on and then very carefully just sort of dip it in. You'll only get one side for now, but then do the other side when that one's set. So also just while that's setting, we're going to do a couple of like shard things. So just get a spatula, dip it in, and then also on the tray, just sort of drizzle it a little bit. Just so you get some thick bits, some thin bits that we can just then break up later. This is the point where I think, oh, can you do like, sugar work? But the answer is no, I cannot. Don't know if you can hear that, but fireworks are happening somewhere. So one side is set. I must compete with this now. So as I said, when it cooks, it does release more moisture, so you want to dab it off a little bit and then just dip the other side in. If necessary, reheat your caramel, just until it's more movable again. Okay, it's just started to bubble again, so I'm working with that. So you just want to dip in the uncoated side. Okay, so now we're ready to assemble. Okay, so you want to dollop on some of your icing, a decent amount, and then just kind of spread it to the edges and swirl it around. Yeah, you put quite a lot on, but you'll take a fair amount off. And then just create a little drizzle in the middle. So like that. And then just get one of your apples and just place it in the middle. And then this is the kind of sugar thing that I made. So just break a bit of that off and just poke it down in the middle for a little extra crunch. So yeah, you just want to do that with the rest of them and then serve them. You want to serve them pretty much straight away because the apple is cooking and will just become quite soft. So yeah, get more decorated and enjoy. Am I ever not excited? Because I'm so excited now. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's just so warming. It's meant to be a thing, isn't it? Where you like cupcake sandwich? Not with a shard of sugar in it. It's just that kind of toffee that like sticks in your teeth a little bit. And like, it is sweet, so it's nice to kind of get a bite of fresh apple. This is a good way of eating a cupcake. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please watch some more videos, subscribe. I'm all about vegan baking, so if you like that, then subscribe. If you do, I will see you next time. Enjoy bonfire night. Enjoy setting fire to guide forks.